My name is Steve Hamburger. I'm 80 years old, and I'm a patient advocate for peripheral artery disease. I'm on the board of the Foundation to Advance Vascular Cures. I was diagnosed with peripheral artery disease about 16 years ago, because I just had a really terrible, the worst 20 days of my life, where I was 6 days in the hospital and really didn't think I would get out. And the only reason that I got out was because of the lifestyle changes that I practice, the habits that I practice, and the physical condition that I was in. And I realized that I really wanted to get the word out on walking and how you can use it to combat PAD. And so based on that, I started a Facebook group which focuses on PAD and lifestyle change. We're aware of the challenge, the Society of Vascular Surgery challenge, and we wanted to become a participant in it. I think it's a worthwhile cause in terms of what the society does in regards to research and education. It's what's needed in the field of peripheral artery disease.